Muthia Bishop Gilbert ni arekereirio thutha wake gukorwo agicira gwa kahinda ka miaka hakuhi 8 thutha wake gwikwirwo kuiya ciana 5 cia ukuru wa thi wa miaka 14 kuri mwaka wa 2022 na 2024 na ni ugite ni oheire aria mamuthitangite na ni harireirie gucoka wira-ini wake wa uhunjia akiuga ihinda-ini riu ni akoretwo athukirio ritwa riake na gucokereria bururi-ini wa Amerika na korwo agithie na mbere na wira wake wa uhunjia ta uria mwandiki witu aratariria. Bishop Gilbert Deya ni umwe wa athikabu aria mari gatũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na bũrũri wa Amerika, no rĩtwa rĩake nĩ rĩakorirwo rĩgĩcenjia mwaka-inĩ wa 2017 tarĩki 4 rĩrĩa akorirwo agĩcokio bũrũri-inĩ nĩ thirikari ya bũrũri wa Amerika thutha wake gwĩkwĩrwo kũiya ciana 5 cia thĩ wa ũkũrũ wa miaka 14 gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 2012 na 2014 mwena wa Mountain View County ya Nairobi.
All the counts that have been charged with in reference to the offense of child stealing. Of course, in some quarters they've called it child trafficking, they've called it whatever, but today the court has cleared him of all the counts.
Ndeto ya gĩkeno nĩ atĩ rĩtwa rĩake nĩ rĩcenjetie thutha wake kũrekererio na cira wake gũthira uria anakorirwo akĩrũgamĩrĩrwo nĩ wakiri John Swaka.
He's been acquitted under section 215 and the court has given its reasons and its grounds. And when you look at the reasoning of the court, then you realize that these were trumped up charges. These were charges that could not have stood. And if somebody was forthright and honest, Archbishop Gilbert Deya should never have been charged. But because there's a lot of pressure and reason why he should be charged, he decided to go through the entire process. Remember, he was extradited from England. He came in chains. He prior to that, he told the entire world he was innocent, but still he was pressed to come. And the trial, of course, has taken some time, about 5-6 years. But prior to that, this matter actually started in 2004. And until today, it's been hanging around for almost 20 years. But today we are glad that finally the truth has come out, that Archbishop Gilbert Deya has been acquitted, and that now is a free man.
Bishop Gilbert nareirie andiki a mohoro akimatariria gĩkeno gĩake akiuga ona korwo ũndũ ũcio nĩ wakorirwo ũgĩthũkia rĩtwa rĩake nĩ oheire aria othe mamuigĩrĩire maũndũ maya.
Surely it has damaged the name of my reputation. I'm the first speaker on television here in Kenya, KBC, then Makiaria. I was the biggest preacher in the world today. I found a ministry in the UK named after my name, Gilbert Deya Ministry, which is really was very successful. And I'm free, and I'm now going to continue to proceed to the mission that Jesus gave to me on earth. I'm very pleased with the judgment, and I'm so happy that from today I've been acquitted, and I'm grateful to my wonderful advocate, John Swaka.
Nĩarekereirie na kuga nĩagacoka bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika na athiĩ na mbere na wĩra wake wa ũhunjia.
My strength has been in the UK, and the UK people expect me soon. God bless you so much.
Thank you.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muingi TV, njĩtagwo wa itherero wa Njoroge.